Getting started. Do a couple audio tests. Seems to be working. All right, I'm just gonna be tinkering around on, probably not talking a whole lot. I'm just gonna be working on my Super Metroid Auto Tracker that we can see up here in the top left. I'm just testing out a bunch of options for it and adding Map Rando support while I play some Map Rando. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of be silent over here. I'm just gonna work on this for an hour or so. Now, not everything is hooked up, so... Hey, what's up, Sent? Yeah, super early. I'm 9 p.m. Oh, interesting. 1:30. I could probably do a couple streams like this thinking on us finishing Undertale. I'll keep that in mind, and I'm actually off work for the next 2 days due to Veterans Day and the Marine Corps birthday. So, yeah, I might be able to do some earlier streams. But today I'm just kind of working on trying to get this tracker here to work better for map randos. Let's see, make the font smaller here. Just kind of testing out some sizes, and let's see. Okay. Icons, timer. I'm just kind of testing out my menu here. Nice. Splits. Turn the icon view back on. Okay. I can make the font very small. Actually, I'll make sure all the width here fit small. I'll make sure basically nothing runs off the side of the page. Medium. Large. Could probably make the headers a lot smaller for these. Let's see, maybe like 12 max actually. Actually, I like the... Yeah, I'll try 12. Okay, then I'm gonna basically kill the tracker, and then I'm gonna rebuild it and rerun it. How's your evening going, Sent? Did you get the progress you wanted to get made yesterday on your game? I finally got past Kraid on Super Metroid Impossible, so it was a pretty good day for me. I'm just hanging out a bit right now before we take the kids swimming. It's 1:30 p.m. for me. Yeah, we just finished lunch over here, and the kids are playing and doing their own thing. I was like, hey, I have like a couple hours of quiet time before we go swimming, so I figured I would, yeah, play around a bit. Oh, the tracker started back up. It's annoying, but I have to refresh it every single time in OBS after I restart it. All right, we'll get the new one. Now let's see what this does for us. And the sizes are going to be kind of wonky all over the place because I'm just, kind of live testing this. This is my cross-platform, works on Mac, Linux, Windows, Super Metroid Auto Tracker. Full day ahead of you. I'm going to sleep in a few hours. That's crazy, right? Yeah, once I realized like what times you were up for our streams, I was like, oh man, you have a very similar sleep schedule as me, it seems. Okay, what was I going to do here? Oh yes, I was going to try. So here's the 16 by 16 icon size. Okay, so that's a little bug. We can see the item number there's a little, we shouldn't be showing the item count on such a small icon size. Then again, I could also just like remove that number for small icons. Let's see. I think 32 is really the sweet spot for this view. And then I'll change this. large. Whoops. Very large. And I'm making an option so we can turn these on and off. It's a little annoying that the objectives and such aren't reading right now. So I'm just going to take that screenshot, dump it into my good old friend AI cursor, and be like, yo, home slice. Yo, and paste my screenshot in. Yo, home slice. Why is everything saying off? Can you confirm our API call to the Map Rando server is properly returning the metadata for the seed as you expect? So I'm encountering a very interesting problem that some of the things I want to read in memory, they're in ROM, and I can't read them through the emulator's network API, which only allows me to read from RAM. So I'm having to actually take my seed from the ROM and then reading the seed from RAM, which is apparently there, and then passing that to the Map Rando web server to fetch metadata. Seed name isn't being read from memory yet. Those are stub functions. AI, damn it, I didn't tell you to write stub functions. I told you to write all the code. Oh, well then, yeah. Let's confirm the API calls via curl requests, since that's faster to test. Then update our Kotlin service por favor. I love AI, man. It's been so fun. Home slice. Anything to protect yourself from the AI war? Oh, definitely, dog. I treat my AI kindly. I I want it to remember me as an ally. Okay, let's see, how's that look there? We'll see if this is actually tracking deaths right. Oh, oh, God, scared the shit out of me. Okay, this is a basic seed and we're starting here, really? This is a crazy start for a basic seed, I feel. Oh, this is big pink. Oh yeah, please don't be a missile. Oh, nice. Dude, we just got lucky. Why did that not read my morph ball? Oh, something crashed on my tracker unload. AI is in the middle of writing code. All right, we're gonna pause our map rando. No, we're not. We're not gonna pause yet. We're gonna let AI finish its thing, and then I'll refresh the tracker. So the tracker is not actually running. That image is left over from OBS. Yeah. Okay, I think we can make it to the other side. Hopefully we don't die. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Oh, nice. Good thing we went right first. Okay, E-tank, come back with bombs. Is that showing the map? Nope. Oh my god. See what's over here. Oh shit. Hello, Mother Brain. Did I get hit? I guess I did. Oh yeah, let's see what's over here. Bombs. Ooh. Alright, let's go back down and see what that item was. And by the way, sent Wednesday, we're going to be online with Grape as he walks me through a KPDR run to get to sub hour. We're going to try to trim off 5 minutes of my time, and then I'll be at sub hour. Yep. Do what you gotta do, Sent. Ooh. Oh, AI finished. Let me go ahead and restart that real quick. Restart the tracker, compile it and build. Okay, it's compiling now. Be nice if we find a safe. Oh yeah, thank you, thank you. Ooh. Death count 42. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so we're clearly reading wrong memory, but AI is totally wrong. It told me. I'll just show you what I see. I'll refresh the tracker real quick. Yeah. So that's what I see right now. I'm going to remove the timer because we're not really using it. I'm just I'm mainly testing out this tracking state. So this is what I'm working on. I have not died 42 times. That's crazy. And AI thinks I should see objective bosses, difficulty basic, item progression normal, quality of life max, map layout. Oh, okay, my API call to Map Rando website is failing. Failed to fetch seed data for my seed. So I'm having my tracker make a remote API call to the Map Rando service. Verify API call with curl. Please don't just write Kotlin code. And this is just a basic small map, so I can kind of test my tracker. I have a hard seed lined up as well for after this. Super missiles, huh? Damn. Oh, speed booster room. Ooh, nice. These are Shine Spark. Yeah. Down, 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 down. I could totally imagine running there without Varia suit and getting gravity suit, then super missiles being stoked, and then realizing you can't get back because you don't have enough energy. I'm gonna go save real quick. Okay, keep all. Restart the server again. Okay, we'll run until the tracker reloads, and then I'll refresh it. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh gosh. No, you can get out of this. Alright, the new tracker loaded. Nice, it's actually reading stuff. Amazing. Okay. It's reading the death count incorrectly, but I can work with that. Refresh it for us so we can see it. Got a little bit of compression on that right sprite. Okay. And I can adjust things like font sizes, so I'm not too worried about those. So bosses, basic, normal, max, and map layout small. The death count is incorrect though. First off, I want to save our updates because this is sweet and it's working nicely. Map Rando info HUD updates. I'm just pushing all these straight to main as well. Actually, I should post the repo here too. Doodly doodly doo, Super Metroid Auto Tracker. I haven't got to work on it quite as much recently just because I've been really focused on code. Whoops. Work code. So pin this. Unable to pin? Are you serious? Why can't I pin my URLs? It's already pinned. Okay. All right, now let me see what else we need to do. So one note, the death count seems to be wrong. It's showing 42 when I haven't died yet. Please dig a bit deeper to find the death count, senor. All right, let's do this. While AI is thinking. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. We don't have high jump, so I don't know if we can go up there. Alright, we're going to see where this goes, and we might drop back to our previous save state. Yep. Alright, we're dead. Oh, that's something I need to add to this save state as well. Or the info HUD is the number of resets. Oh, no, 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 don't want to go through there yet. Oh, dang it. Oh yeah, can't I just do that? I know I can do the spin jump, but I'm curious if I can just do the down jump or down grab. Alright, not gonna try that. Oh no, oh no. I hate water without high jump. feel like dealing with that. Hey, what's up, Phil? How you doing, man? I'm testing out my tracker, so that Map Rando, or my Super Metroid Tracker I've been working on. I'm building a Map Rando view, as you can see up there in the top left. All right, we're gonna drop a little save point here, and I'm gonna restart the tracker again. I'm trying to fix the death count tracker because I haven't died yet, and it's showing that I died 42 times. Get an extra day off this week? Heck yeah, man. Me too, actually. I'm taking Monday and Tuesday off for Veterans Day and Marine Corps birthday. And then Wednesday evening, I'm going to do... Oh, not again, dang it. And then Wednesday evening, I'm going to do... Well, I don't know if I should reload from memory, actually. I don't know if I dropped a save state. Anyways, Wednesday, I'm going to do a KPDR training session with Grape, probably about 5:30 Central Time. Or 5:30 PST. Sorry, not Central. I'm gonna try to get that. I'm gonna try to get that sub hour this week. We're at an hour 5. Oh my god, this. Okay, there you go. Let's just drop a save state here. There we go. We'll drop it here. Oh, F you, man. All right, let me restart the tracker again. Nice. Okay, now it's looking accurate. Let me close the old tracker out and update the new one in OBS. Let's see, yeah, properties. Wrong window. Okay, now it's showing 0 deaths, which is a little more what I expected. Okay. Oh, damn it. I want to finally have everything sorted out here. Heck yeah. And yeah, I'm kind of feeling the same way. I'm like, I just want to take my... Gosh. Dude, this room sucks. By this room, I mean me. This is why I don't do Map Rando races, man. This shit would piss me off if I had to do it like first try or go down a big sand pit like this. Also, this is a basic seed and it's like harder than half of the hard seeds I've done. wonder if I can do something. That's what I was trying to do. Okay. Oh, I need to actually die. Let me get to a save point somewhere. I need to die so I can test out my death counter. So we'll do that next. Similarly, also need to load up a different difficulty map. Make sure all the settings are loaded as expected. First rando I played, I had that trick and it took me a few tries. Yeah. It'll like amaze me at some of the tricks I can do and then some of the seemingly trivial tricks that I just die on. Oh. I did that room poorly, but I've had to do that room there a few times now where I didn't have really anything on me, no energy tanks, no Varia suit sometimes. And it can be wicked. Hey, don't fall on me. Where are we even going? Wow, way up there, huh? Let's go ahead and check out this direction. Let me find a safe state, and then I'll die. Made some progress on Super Metroid Impossible yesterday as well. I finally beat Kraid. I was stuck on Kraid for like 3 hours on Super Metroid Impossible. Because just like one hit death, and I don't know how many missiles it takes to kill him. Not as many as I was thinking it would, but I beat him, and now I'm trying to do a hell room, 3-room hell room. Oh, I don't know if we can go up here yet. We don't have spring ball yet. Nope. I think we can go up there. Sure, we'll save here so we can die. All right, time to die to test out our death counter. I guess we were supposed to go down that sand pit. Oh, that's going to take forever to die that way. Need something. Wait, let me check that again. Is that 50 damage or? Oh, okay, that's sufficient. Okay. Now death counter should go to 1. We'll see. I'm not optimistic because this is a brand new feature. Incorrect. All right. Well, we'll boost up AI's ego by telling it did a good job for the first bits. But yeah, the death counter is wrong. Everything else looks amazing. However, the death counter is stuck at 0. I've actually died 1 time! Exclamation mark. Okay, we'll let AI do its thing and we'll continue on our way. Oh yeah, but we're gonna have to go into that one room with the little baby dragons. Oh no. I mean, it can't go up, can you? I don't think we can get up that G4 shaft without some items, so I'm just gonna go back. Ooh. Is this way right? Yeah. We got one more door to check out. Yeah, underwater wall jumps. I actually do want to learn those. I want to learn what all this pain is about. All I know is if people like Mark Firebolt and Invo and Grape are all like underwater wall jumps, I have to trust them. And the 2 people I know who seem to not mind doing underwater jumps are or the 3 people are like Nito, Eddie, and his Beardness, which all use the hitbox. So, which is pretty interesting. It makes me want to like learn the hitbox, knowing that I love controllers because controllers are. Oh shit! Let's just get out of here. Oh no. Oops. AI is still reading. So I downloaded the Map Rando code base, and so I just had AI read the code base so we can read exactly where in memory. Ooh, nice. Exactly where in memory we needed to read in order to, read this information. Yes. Okay, that makes sense. I'm getting better at my short charges too. I don't know if you could tell just there, but Grape gave me some very game-changing advice on short charge. I didn't realize you just tap every time her elbow's back. I thought you only had to do that for like the first jump. I didn't know it worked for all of them. Just completely changed my short charge game. Oh, no. We're gonna do a moonball. Boom. Hit so hard we bounced. Ah! Oh, you knocked me off the ledge. I got stuck. I don't know how I got stuck there, but... There we go. Let's see. All right. So it said it finished. We're gonna kill the tracker. Restart it. So it's compiling and rebuilding right now. When it's done rebuilding, I'll reload it again. Oh wow, that strategy worked way better than I thought it was going to. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think I was gonna be able to just skirt past all of those by just space jumping across the ceiling. And what are those? What are their names? Let me check my little Holtz. They're called Holtz, Holtz. Elbow is a nice suggestion. I always looked at the front foot. Yeah, same here, Philip. I always looked at the front foot, and also I thought it was just for the first tap. I didn't realize that all consecutive taps after that are just hit on the elbow. And I also learned another trick. If you just, because you know, as it's like I was using the magic pants with the sound cue, and you know, it's like it gets faster and faster. So it's like ding, 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 ding. I didn't understand why I was getting faster, and I didn't realize the tap was tied to the frame of her animation when her elbow goes back or foot goes forward. And so I realized that you can actually just tap, 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 tap a few times until she gets the charge, and you never have to hold dash down ever. You can just build up the charge holding, as long as you're holding D-pad, you don't even have to be holding dash anymore. So it's like I've been learning like all kinds of fun little mechanics about how it works. All right, we're going to take this because we got speed boosters. So I know there's that room down there where charge beam is. So I think we're going to, oops, not this way. Let's get our energy first. Yeah, and I'll load up the, the tracker reloaded. Oh my God, it's working, I think. I don't think we've died 4 times, but it says we've died 4 times. We need to reload it again in OBS because OBS won't auto switch to. Oh, it did. It loaded automatically for us this time. Nice. Depth for map layout small. And my next effort will be to make these pieces of text toggleable, so we can turn them off if you don't want them. And also, I think I want my headers to be a lot more smaller than. Why are they the same size? The label size should be smaller than the value size. Good job, AI. I think you may have fixed it. I've only died twice, so I don't really think that, but we're just gonna move on. I don't want to think about it anymore as we move on to the next one. The next question. Next Q. Why are my labels and values of the right Map Rando info column the same size? The labels should be smaller than the values. You can check the Map Rando info font size class, which has the definitions. Thank you. Just okay. I'm glad I started using this sprite again. Oh no, 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 oh no. Oh, I keep shooting too early. We're gonna get this. Oh, not like that. We're not. right into the middle. Seriously. I hate this room, and there's another room like this that I don't like. And it kills me in Map Randos every time. There we go. That's one way to do it. Right back into the water. Just want to save before I die. Don't want to die again, because I just want to see the death counter increment by 1. We have a couple of spots to test out our power bombs. We'll do that. Alright, now to go die. Drop a save point here too, just in case we mess stuff up. Oh, we'll let one of the Rios kill us. These Rios, they like to go to town on you. What's up, guys? Hey, guys, want to play? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, it's going to take forever. I should have just jumped in lava. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? Oh no. Death counter went up to 5. Hell yeah, death counter working. Hey, what's up, D-Money? How's your day going, man? Hope you're having an awesome... Is it Sunday? Oh man, it's Sunday. Time goes by way too fast. Actually, let's go down. I'm a little curious. Let's go over here. Now that we have power bombs and super missiles. Let's go get our item. Oh, it's a major. Gravity suit. Oh, yes. We know what's over there. Gravity suit updated. And yeah, what we're doing today, D-Money, is we're testing out the new Map Rando, our new Map Rando tracker. Oh my god, it's working, AI. Such a good job. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, it didn't fix the font sizes. I'm just gonna leave that alone. Okay, I'll fix that myself. Asking AI to do things like fix layout sizes and fonts is just a little bit tedious. It doesn't have the aesthetic quite down for that when you're trying to fine tune things, but it's great for like the underlying core stuff. Okay, next up is I'd like you to research the Map Rando codebase and determine which memory address is used to store reset count similar to what we did for death count. Also next, let's finally go build the options to sort and toggle Map Rando info items on the right. Sort of like how we toggle / sort icons in the icon or in the default icon view. And by that I'm referring to this. If we go into settings, oh cool, I can't open up my settings right now. A bug happened. I code through an exception. But first, I just noticed when I click settings in the bottom footer, I see exceptions in the logs. You broke something. Here's the logs. Let's see, make note of all these items or these steps and do them sequentially until finished. Thank you. Okay, we just gave AI a lot of work to do, so we're gonna go let it do that work. Oh. Okay, so basically we're unlocked to go that way. Oh, we're not gonna go this way, we're gonna come in from the top because there's a lot of majors in those sand pits. Whoops, forgot we have space jump. But before we do that, I want to go check out our charge beam room and see what's down here. Oh, nope. Gotta do a moonfall. Dude, AI is just over here banging out code. I'm using Cursor, by the way. Cursor. I love this tool. You know, for prototyping and building fun stuff, like, it's just unlocked so much creativity. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. This is a thing that is called the Holtz, I think. Let me confirm that. Yeah, Holtz. All right, I guess we're gonna do it the slow way. That's not working. All right, so their AI is proximity based. Holy cow! I don't know if we want to be going this way actually. Dude, that's insane. All right, we're gonna try it anyway. AI, can we do it? Alright, let's leave. We found Ridley. We are definitely not equipped to deal with that. Oh, I forgot we had Spring Ball. I was like, wait, how did I jump just now? Yeah, we're going to go back up to those northern quicksand pits because there's a screw attack, at least, and I know there's more items. I don't know exactly what's up there. Actually, in this case, we should go back to the last save state. I should have done that faster. I didn't lose anything, did I? No. That's something else I need to get used to doing is, because when I play by myself, I tend to like run. Oh, I did. We did miss an item. Okay. Oh well, I still think it's probably be net positive. Yeah, and if you're wanting to see more dev, like active building of stuff, Amoeba of Doom is streaming right now, and he's working on Super Metroid Mosaic, and he actually has like the smart Super Metroid editor open and is building Super Metroid maps and stuff. So if you're ever interested in like how people build ROM hacks, yeah, he's on now doing that. That's pretty cool stuff. Amoeba of Doom, and I think he built Subversion, or at least I've seen his name on a few ROM hacks. I believe Mado is there too, and Mado is the actual, like one of the main devs of Map Rando. And that was Mother Brain over there. Okay. Dang, dude, AI is still writing code. Basically, when I give it a bunch of stuff, instead of having it just go do it, I say first summarize this into concrete steps, and then go focus wholly on one step at a time, and then do them sequentially. And then you can do a lot that way. Whoa. Alright, now this time we are going to go in the pit. Oh. This pit, I mean, right here. Sweet. I don't have high jump, so I think I still have to be careful about the sand. That's all that's there, right? Yeah. And then we have one more of these rooms. Oh, no. I think these will be pretty good for us. I don't know exactly what power-ups or items we're going to get. Okay, so we're going to go down and then we're going to go immediately to the left. Oh, I should have. Dude, I got to work on these rooms. I like suffer in quicksand. Ooh, early map, nice. Oh, and AI finished. Alright, we're gonna... I guess we're not gonna get that map data access. And we are gonna restart the tracker again. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, a ghost hit me and knocked me through the door. Oh, that's funny. Alright, recompiling the tracker again. What were those ghosts called? Covets or Covern? Covern. C-O-V-E-R-N, Covern. Oh, tracker built. Alright. Resets 1. Oh my god, I can't believe it worked. Oh, that is badass. And it's tracking 3 missile tanks, 2 super missile expansions, 1 power bomb expansion. Nice. This is working as expected. Well, I didn't expect it to work, so I guess it's exceeding expectations. I'm gonna go check some of those rooms that are closer. You know what? Let's do it, dude. This is good. This is a good Fantoon practice fight. Let me open up the Fantoon patterns. I have the Fantoon's pattern image open up 24/7. I'll show it here too, actually. Fantoon pattern. There we go. I'm gonna pull that below our tracker, over my face. Okay, so we are going to vote for a fast. Could be a fast. Nope. Okay, so it could be a medium. Oh, yep. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. All right, we're gonna practice. We're gonna practice shooting these. Whoa. Dude, I think I like the regular beam more than I do Spazer. Or more than I do Spazer and Wave and stuff. They like... Whoa, this is so much easier to control. Okay, we're gonna get a medium. Oh, it's gonna be a slow, huh? Oh, man. At least I knew it was a slow. I'm just blown away. I'm just blown away at how much easier this is with regular beam than it is the fully loaded out Spazer Ice and... Oh, man. Oh. See if we get it fast. Might get a medium towards the right. No, yep. I honestly, I think Grape would have been proud of this Fantoon fight. That wasn't the craziest, but I think Grape would have been proud of that. That was one of my better Fantoon fights, honestly. I know it wasn't like super crazy, but hell yeah. Does Fantoon show up as defeated on our tracker, most importantly? Why, yes, he does. And 1 reset, so that's good. It tracked our reset. Amazing. And I bet when I say it tracked our reset, I'm talking about the top left tracker up there. Okay, so that's the main purpose of today's goal, is I'm just making my tracker better support Map Rando. Let's get to a save point, actually, now that we did that. Had that little party. Again, we're just kind of want to peek these doors real quick. All right, I want to do this just for fun. Okay, away from it. Reload. What's this running towards it people talk about? How do you run and then not spin though? Whoops. Alright. Oh no, I was getting these like within a few tries before. waiting too long, I think. Ooh, I need to practice these. I guess it's been a while. Oh my god, what happened? Oops. It just like doesn't even feel right. What the hell? I don't think it's ever, literally ever taken me this long, except my first time trying it in containment chamber. It's been a while since I've tried it. Yo, Phil, if you see what I'm doing wrong, let me know, man. My favorite video game? Well, it starts with a Super and ends with a Metroid. Yeah, this is my all-time favorite game. But all the Map Randos and stuff are pretty new to me. I didn't learn these and really start speedrunning Super Metroid until June this year. But I played it my whole life. But always played vanilla and usually did like 100% runs or 95% runs. Okay, you know what? No, I can't leave this gate. I'm not going through it, but I can't leave with defeat. This is wild. I've never failed a gate glitch this many times. And I just like, it's like I lost the timing. Okay, gotta get a little higher up and to the left. Is it pink gate that you can do skips? You can skip this one too, and the blue gate as well. As long as you have, with the blue gate, you can skip with missiles or super missiles, and as long as it's this left gate like this, you can't skip the other direction. And it's actually not really that hard. I don't know, but my timing is just off because I don't do the glitches a lot. I practiced them a bit, but I haven't had to do them in like a regular run or something that forces me to stay fresh on it. But that's why I'm doing these map randos, is just they force you to do this. But this is outrageous, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong. Yeah, this is crazy. There we go. All right. You know, I was gonna undo the save state just to try it again until I get it first try, but I'll do that offline. I need to set up, I've been recently, as I train, I've been practicing more like setting up good visual cues and stuff like that, relying a little bit less on luck. Ooh. Well, this is not exactly a save point. So the room above is another Ridley. That's Ridley, or Lower North Paris entrance hall. Could go down. There's some rooms. Yeah, let's go through the gate. Let's go through the lava pit for fun. What about you, Raisin? You go by Raisin or Kane? And you play any Super Metroid? Oh wait, I got screw attack. We're invincible, I forgot. Come here, B-Tom. I think, yeah, this blocked off in Map Randos, but let's see what's up there. Missile container, that'd be nice. Cool. Okay, now we got a save point. Great. Now what I want to do is I want to reset back to a save point, and we should see the reset counter go up to 2. Just like that. You see how it went back to 2, just like planned? It's not going up. Alright, I'm gonna die and just make sure the tracker's even updating as expected. We're gonna die. We're gonna die with style though. We're gonna die practicing D-boost. But the spikes in the ceiling, wait, the spikes in the ceiling don't hurt me. Oh, I have screw attack on, okay. That's why. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom. I've been working on these D-boosts. Ooh yeah, back and forth. There we go. Whoosh. We're not dying very fast because I have the Varia suit on, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep it off so we can get more reps in. Like, I am not trying to go down. I'm trying to go right. And suddenly, there we go, like that. What? We were doing it earlier. I'm still getting the timing of all these D-boosts. Raise and Arcane is fine. I first played Super Metroid on the Switch and I really loved it. Oh, that's awesome, man. By the way, on the Switch, are you using the Nintendo Switch wireless SNES Bluetooth controller? Or the wireless Bluetooth SNES controller for the Switch? If not, I highly recommend it. You don't want to play Super Metroid with the Pro controller, in my opinion. Like, it's built for this, and yeah, I say that because I played it a bit with the Pro controller too, and was just like, ugh. Okay, cool. 6 deaths. So our death counter is working. Joy-Cons. Oh, wow. Yeah, man. Definitely try the SNES controller. I think you'll have a much better experience with it. Okay, so that, now we're gonna reset. The reset counter is not going up. All right, AI. Interestingly, the reset counter is now showing 1, which was correct. However, I reset multiple other times and it did not increase. Good news though, on the death counter, it's working. Continue on. Oh, let me make sure it built us our options too, to control which items show up in there. So we have icon management. That's the wrong icons though. These are the icons for the main default view. So there's that Map Rando view, and then there's also this like default view, and we can toggle like which items show up in it. So we were like, yeah, we don't want energy tanks, or we were like, we do want energy tanks, and we do want reserve tanks. And in this case, we are using the Map Rando layout, which I'm designing today. And let's see. Need a spot to... Oh, some of the tab text is cut off too. All right. I'm going to have it keep working on fixing the reset counter. And I'm going to save my code real quick. Def plus reset counter. Okay, and then we'll just continue on. My favorite power suit. I mean, Varia suit because it cuts your damage in half. And it lets you withstand fire and heat. Although if you have to do a lot of water tech that involves underwater water jumps or something like that. Oh my god, we screwed up bad. Wait, I went back to the previous save state. So then I lost. Oh, it's annoying. That's annoying. I was testing the reset counter, or the reset, and I accidentally went back 2 save states. That's frustrating. Fortunately, to get there is not hard. We literally just have to fall down the quicksand, so it won't be a big deal. But yeah, if you ever have any questions on Super Metroid or recommendations, yeah, let me know, man. I have a few. Like after you, I'd say for now just play Super Metroid a bit, but I can understand how it can get kind of tiring to play the same old game over and over and over. So when you find yourself burned out on Super Metroid, whenever that may be, check out some of the Super Metroid ROM hacks. So they're DIY Super Metroid games that people in the community have built, and they're all freely available. And it's pretty incredible. Wait a minute. Oh man, did I just skip an item? I wasn't paying attention. Oh well, it doesn't matter. But so like Super Metroid Subversion, and you can actually, are you familiar with MetroidConstruction.com, or .net or something? It's basically a website that hosts all the Metroid ROM hacks. There's a long list of them, and there's some masterpieces, absolute masterpieces out there. So it kind of helps scratch your itch for playing Metroidvanias without having to just, play Super Metroid over and over. Oh, we have to do that Phantoon fight all over again. Oh my god. All right, let's do it. I forgot. Oh, I have to be super careful not to do that in the future. Basically, if you push start, select L and R in Map Rando, it'll go back to your previous save state. All right, get a medium. No, we're gonna get a slow. Come here for a slow. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, man. Oh, that was the first phase. I had that timed way wrong. Okay, so it could be right. Oh, it's gonna be right, slow. Nope, slow right here. Oh, one too many. Supposed to do 2-2 and then Doppler, or 2-2 charge, or whatever you want to do. But if you do any more than that at once, he'll disappear. Oh no, I was talking and not paying attention. Dang it, we had to fast and I wasn't ready for it. So now he'll drop them from the ceiling. Still though, getting a lot more consistent with Phantoon. This is great. You really love the gravity suit or the Dread gravity suit? Oh yeah, Dread was pretty cool. My only complaint about Dread is like once you master Super Metroid, Kane, once you master Super Metroid, you're gonna know what I mean. But the controls of Super Metroid go so deep. It's so deep. There's so much tech, and it's just something that it's not in Super Metroid Dread. Dread's pretty awesome. I don't have like any major complaints against it. Oh, we're gonna definitely take a different route this time. We're gonna go up that elevator shaft, grab that major. Then we'll go hit that save spot, and then we're gonna we might pick up some items on the way out. We're not gonna go down there. Oh, wait, actually we might want to check out Norfair. But yeah, Super Metroid is like still, of all the Metroids, like incredibly well done and holds up. But Dread really improved a lot of the combat mechanics and expanded combat. So I thought that was pretty cool. I think for Dread, I would like to see a little more exploration. Oh wait, why am I going this way? Yeah, well, wait. Let me take a peek. Did you already get those items? It shows the map is completed, but I don't know. Yeah, if we died, it'd be grayed out. Okay, the map would still show, but it would be gray. All right, we're just gonna go back the way we planned on going. Okay, AI did its thing. Customize toggle any item on and off with your arrows. Okay, we're gonna restart the tracker again. We're adding the ability to modify or configure which text shows up on the right side. And you can actually turn that right side on or off. So we can actually just completely turn it off so it's only the icons. But I wanted to give people the ability to display that text if they wanted to, because I've seen that displayed on multiple people's Map Rando trackers. Ooh, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? High jump? Wouldn't it be funny if it's in the same room? X-ray scope. Well, considering I don't know how to X-ray climb, and we're in a basic seed, I don't think we're gonna be using X-ray scope. Let's do this with style. Oh, we got screw attack on. Let's turn off our screw attack because we're gonna do a ceiling spike deboost. Oh my gosh. Oh no, or we're just gonna die. We're just gonna die. That's what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. That was good enough. I was really hyped when Dread was announced. At the time, I have beaten Super Metroid. Oh no, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, cool. We don't really care about those items. Oh, that's awesome. Dread's a great game. I loved it. I loved it as a game. It's just, it was missing a couple main elements of the Super Metroid game. Like, it was a little too compact for me. Like, I like some of the sprawled out, you're on a planet, diverse environment, and, you know, it's like you're just all alone. The robot, having to run from that robot so many times was just like, I was like, I'm done with this. Oh wait, let's turn our screw attack back on and just move through here. No, we're gonna deboost. Oh, not that way. Sorry, I'm trying silly things here because it's how I keep myself entertained. Oh, the new chart. Okay, the new tracker is running. Let me update it. No BS. Bad news is the reset counter still doesn't seem to be working. Okay, let's see if it said it added the settings for us to control what shows up in the right column. Okay, bam, there it is. Oh, this is bad though. I need to have a better way to like basically all the options are stacking up vertically and it takes a lot of space. And it works for me because my computer monitor is large. All right, anyway, let's see. So we can turn off objectives. We can turn off difficulty. We can turn off item progression. We can turn off map layout, quality of life, resets, because it doesn't fucking work, deaths. We can make resets go above death, or we can put it back below. Okay, so that is working. I just need to create like, I think like my settings page, I'm just gonna create like, if you like, it just needs to be bigger. I'm trying to fit it all into like this one column view, and there's just so many settings, and I have tabs as you can see here, but it's just like, it's not enough. And if I hide the icons view, you can see more of the settings, but you actually can't see a lot of the settings that are below the screen. Maybe if we turn off the timer. Yeah, it's like icon management down here at the bottom. There's actually a whole bunch of other settings below that. But no biggie. I'll show you the splits too. Here's what the splits look like. And, you know, you can resize and stuff as you want dynamically. And we can change the style for the splits. Like we can be like, no, we don't want the icons. Or we be like, we want it to be smaller. And we're like, yeah, no, we want it to be even smaller. But, you know, I don't really want the icons actually. Split name only, or icon only, or both. And show segment deltas. So this will show your segment deltas. Show your best of best. Show your best column. So you can make it like a little wider if you want to have like your best of best, best, and your current time. And your best time, my best run time is an hour and 5 minutes, so I'm not sub-houred yet, which is on my goal. It's one of my goals for this year. Hopefully I will accomplish that on Wednesday. Okay, we're gonna keep all of these enabled right now because we're testing them though. Can you do more research to confirm the reset counter is being read correctly? This will show up in the ending credits as well. In fact, I recall it being displayed near the death counter. All right. Yeah, I should be able to figure that out. What are your thoughts on Metroid Prime 4 trailers? Excited for it. I have all 3 Prime games. I haven't beaten them yet. I'm actually pretty stoked for it. I'm down for like any Metroid game. Similarly though, I haven't finished Prime 3 Corruption or Other M, because like when those came out, I was just like at a kind of busy point in my life. I mean, I'm still busy, but I was just doing different stuff. And so I would like to play Corruption, and then I'm going to play Prime 4. I might play them out of order. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I'm definitely going to play it. I need to finish Other M as well, so yeah, looking forward to it. But again, I feel that stress because I haven't beaten, you know, the most recent in this series, and I'd really like to, you know, do that. Was there a save? Let's see. Now we're going to go down. We'll collect this item over here. All right, we're gonna see if we can make this mock ball and... Oh, nope, that was way off. We're gonna do it on the way back though. Oh, did it. If you get it right, you'll make it across the gap. Kind of want to go... Oh, what are our objectives even? Oh, we have to kill all 4 bosses, even though it's a... I thought I had made it a small map. Because I generated a small map one time, and I only had to fight one boss. And then I had to go fight Mother Brain. It was very interesting. Okay, do we... I'm thinking, do I want to go collect some of those items? No, not really. We're gonna wing it. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Forgot we had screw attack. Was it a missile container? If coming from the top, I wasn't paying attention to that on the map. I could definitely go for some high jump right now. Oh, okay. AI's finished its research. Conclusion, the research counter is reading correctly. It's just a different metric than what you might expect. It truly counts resets, power cycles, not restarts or reloads. What is being tracked when I press LR start select to go back to the previous save? Is that a reload? Can you confirm so you don't just answer yes it is and be lazy? AI is definitely learning after its humans very well. It will take shortcuts when it can. Do you want to go up? Yeah, let's go. Nah, we're not. We're gonna go down to Norfair. Oh, I'll play since we're going to Norfair, I'll play I remixed a lower Norfair track. Sorry for those who've heard this 1,000 times, but I'm going to play it anyways because I've been enjoying it. I just love lower Norfair music. Like I listen to it on repeat during the day, like when I'm coding and stuff too. Let's see. All right, we'll turn down the emulator volume, and then we'll. Hopefully this isn't too loud. Tell me if it's too loud and I can turn it down. Oh, AI answered. Okay. LR select and start button combo behavior. The same button combo, blah, 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 does 2 different things depending on your state. Scenario 1, quick reload. Memory address 701E18, most common. When you press LR select and start, you're moved and blah, 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 blah. Tell me something interesting. Quick load back, rare. Let's see. Anyway, summary. Let's just, get to the chase. Or cut the chase. Summary, yes. When you press LR select and start after playing normally, it's tracked as a quick reload, and it quotes the memory address. We should add this to the counter. Yeah, it is useful, exactly. Yes, please. Add. Thank you. Goodbye. AI doing all the heavy lifting. So is Metroid Prime 4, is that exclusive only for the Nintendo Switch? Oh yeah, we have speed boosters. Yes. Or is it, is it exclusive for Nintendo Switch 2, or is it both on Nintendo Switch 1 and 2? wanted to. Nice. I'm glad they can do that, because they could definitely make that, you know, exclusive if they wanted to. So it's cool to see that they're keeping it accessible. Let's go down. Actually, let's check all these doors. Please be spore spawn. Please be spore spawn. Oh, will we get it in time? Oh no. Yeah. Oh, they're gonna hit me, aren't they? Nope. The ship. Let's go say hi to our ship. Boom, boom, boom. I have the one version pre-ordered. Nice. I just put in my pre-order yesterday, or like 2 days ago, something like that. Pretty soon, or pretty recently. Actually, let's see what's down here. Energy tank. Oh yeah, blind energy tank for the win. Oh my god. Oh dude, we almost had. No. We do not want to fall down. Although it doesn't really matter. We have screw attack, so we're pretty safe. Oh, do I have respin turned on? Oh, nice. Actually, let me let's do some more exploration while we're here. All right, AI finished. We'll restart the tracker. Dun, 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 dun. We are just getting spoiled with energy. Get back. Get over here. Spacer beam. And I'll take my energy too. Wait, did we not refill our life at the spaceship? Did I just like blow past that and not even notice? Right. Dun, 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 dun. I should turn off respin. This is going to create some dangerous bad habits for me. I should really go back and get that save point, but no, I'm not going to. I want to blind this whole thing because we're not in a hurry here. We are in tracker testing mode. Oh, cool. Our tracker, it's now tracking resets as well. Let me update it for us. Or reloads. So there's resets and reloads. Oh, it's just being cut off. There we go. Okay, let's go back up. Oh no, oh no. I never go up the left side, I always go up the right side. Oh yeah, man, I agree with that. I played Metroid 2 on the Game Boy. Like I played Metroid 1 first, because you know I grew up on Nintendo and got my first Nintendo when I was 5. Wrath of the Black Manta, Punch Out, and Little Nemo's Dream Master and Super Mario Brothers. And Metroid 1 was hard, you know, it was kind of like slow and laggy and stuff like that. But I got Metroid 2, and I loved it. Don't have wave beam, so I'm not going to go that way just yet. Now that I dropped a save point, I will go that way. But yeah, Metroid 2, it was so windy, and like, again, back to that feeling I was describing to you earlier about Metroids, where you feel like isolated, all alone on a planet, and you're lost because you're just going in this deep, unending, series of caverns. Okay, that was absolutely not worth it. We literally are stuck here. So we will go back to that save point. Actually, there is a way to get back. I remembered you can use a super missile and lob it diagonally up. I've actually never done that trick. I should probably go try that trick another day. Whoa, what's up with my tracker? Oh, I turned off the icons. Okay, so we have resets. So I can't use the reset yet because I haven't saved in a while. So let me get back to the... Let me see where this goes. Ooh. Ooh, we're gonna get, yay, a missile. Was that the wave room? Oh, that's another feature I need to turn back on because I updated this. I want to make sure it's working. The show room name in the status bar. And if there's not a room name, it'll just default to the area name. Meridia, what the F? This room definitely has a name. You can see now it shows 6 reloads and 1 reset. 1 reset represents an actual reset of the console, apparently. I don't know how it tracks that or what it's doing there, but reloads is actually what we want, not resets. Oh. Oh, thank you for the follow. I keep followers anonymous, but I appreciate it. And yeah, look forward to hanging out more. By the way, that was the first time I actually had a follower notification because my previous implementation was broken and I didn't know it. I finally fixed it, and I'd always been wanting to test it live. So double thank you for helping me test the notification. Yeah, and let me know if you ever want to see anything in Super Metroid. I'm not a pro by any means, but... Oh, is you Kane? Oh, definitely. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not a pro, but I have a few tricks up my sleeve and happy to help. And what I don't know, I can certainly help find. Why did I come over here again? I'm like, my brain is just not attached to my head right now. I keep thinking about my tracker. Oh no, oh, we almost ate the spikes that time. Samus loves spikes. Don't. Yeah, and I'm a programmer by trade, but love games. I love the community here. I like games that make you want to die. Why am I doing it? Why didn't go down for the billionth untoupled time? I think because the tile, I changed the area tiles for this map rando. Like I wasn't recognizing which room that was. But yeah, anyway, I'm a programmer, love games. I build a little bit of everything. I just kind of build whatever the hell I want to build. And down. I dabble with, art, music making and stuff like that, but not particularly good at any of it. I just, oh, we should have went through the top to the right. Oh, well, let's go this way and see what we got. But I just kind of, I don't know, I just kind of do stuff for fun. It's all hobby for me. Boom, 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 boom. Down, 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 down. Oh. I'm curious what we're gonna find over here. Huh, I wonder what else we need to do to the tracker. Oh yeah, we need to get to a save point because I want to test the reload stuff. Oh, that took more shots than I expected. All right, we're gonna turn up the music a little bit. And Kane, are you located in the stateside? What's your time zone look like? Oh, interesting. I haven't heard of Blasphemous. Let me check that out. Have you played any of the Hollow Knights yet? That's on my list. After I get some time, after I am satisfied with my Super Metroid KPDR, I want to go do some Hollow Knight and Silk. Oh my god, the blind run was worth it. We got Ice Beam. We got Ice Beam, the nice beam, the nice Ice Beam. Ooh. It's not like, instead of Old Spice, it's the Cold Spice. The ultimate beam. I do want to try out the Hollow Knight series. Yeah, check it out for sure. Silk Song seems insanely brutally hard, but I want to try it. But I just want to try it when I have like proper time to, you know, give it a good go. What I don't want to do is get started and then be like, oh, I don't want to put in the extra 60 hours or whatever it takes because I'm doing Super Metroid. So I'm gonna try to stay focused. I'm an extremely ADHD person, so I need that. Ooh, what's over here? Oh, I remember what's over here. We're not gonna go this way. Oh, you know what? We're gonna shine spark everything. Oh, and we're gonna, I wonder if I can get let's get a shine spark. Oh, why did I do that? Did I open that door? Okay. Oh, dude, Metroidvanias are so rewarding. I totally agree. As somebody who lives off micro dopamine responses, like my code compiles. Oh, cool. Now I can test the resets. Okay. Only one reset this time. We're not going to do 2 resets and lose 20 minutes of gameplay, but here we go. Reloads will go to 7. I believe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Next up, I got to make sure that it's saving the layout and all that to my save file. Oh my god, it's working! You genius! If I could only be half as smart as you. AI, gotta suck up to it, you know, butter it up. Next up, can you confirm that all the Map Rando settings, layout settings we've added will persist to our config file in an SM tracker. I mean, dude, I love AI coding. I know some people don't, but like, I've been coding for like 25 years or something like that. I don't know. I love all the like BS work that AI can take care of for you. More work. And it's just fun. It's just fun to be able to be like, all right, I'm gonna go whip up some random project really quick just to test something out. And you know, AI, it might not work for you if you're like new to it or not familiar with it, but I can get AI to write about just about anything I want it to write. and yeah, I can force quality on it, tests and stuff like that. And yeah, it can be a pain in the ass sometimes, and some things it sucks at. But like overall, I am loving it. It's net positive. Whoops, don't go that far. Dun, dun, dun. I need to queue up some more Metroid Techno. There's actually some pretty good Metroid Techno on YouTube. Let me find one. I don't know how to route it. I mean, I know how to route it through Wavelink and stuff. I just don't feel like dealing with all the configs, so I'll do that next time. I'll get a better music playlist set up. Ooh. Down. Whoa. I'm seeing something weird where I like walk up a platform and spin. I need to like figure out what that is all about and make sure that that is not related to me having respin enabled. Like that, that's respin. I gotta turn that off. Down. We want to go this way. Kind of go in random directions. Yes, we do want to go this way because we're gonna go down here into the bottom of like that map data access. Looks like we did good to get ice. That was a really lucky blind. Ooh, is that right? That's going to connect over there. Nope, probably not. You know what? Hell, let's go. We'll see if we can still get up. Before I go over there, we're just gonna keep blinding stuff because it's so fun. Energy tank, normally. Oh, I didn't realize I had my supers activated. Down. Save state. And we'll go back to it one more time. Just watch that reload go up to 8. Ah, beautiful. So glad that's working. I'm going to remove let's see. I like this. Let's make resets disabled off by default. What else should we keep off? Do we need to keep the map layout on? Let me see. No, I think I'm just going to make the text fit better with the icons, so I'll deal with that later. Like, I think death and reloads, for example, could both be on the same row. Fuck yeah, that's what I do. And let's try to make deaths and reloads to be 2 columns in the same row. So they take less space since they have small labels values. All right, we'll see how that goes. If we don't like it, we just simply get reset. And so I have the whole entire Super Metroid code base, the Map Rando code base, auto splits, and all this code. Let's see, Map Rando. And I basically let AI read it, process it. There's also some online ROM hack guides that tell you all you need to know. Oh my god, my sound's so loud. Hold on, sorry about that. But anyway, I just point AI to it so AI can look up anything, definitively confirm it. And it's pretty cool. Oops. All right, what are we going to do? We're going to get rid of... Oh, that's... Wait, why did it throw an error? Oh, AI is modifying the binary live. We're just going to leave it alone for a second. It crashed. It didn't crash, but it's hanging, so we'll just leave it alone. Wait, why didn't I go that way? Save point? Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, I'm tempted. Let's do it. I saw an involuntary millennial Invo. He deboosted off of an enemy to go up into the ceiling and grab an item. I thought that was really cool. I definitely want to try that. Down, 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 boom, boom. Oh, okay, AI's finished. Yep, good job, AI. Okay, we're gonna restart the tracker again. It's gonna mean killing the old one. Yeah, why are you sharing that? Okay, we'll just hide that for a second. There's a couple of skips in Dread. No, I don't know anything about the speedrunning in Dread, actually. Let's see, will this... Huh. All right. And here's the updated one. There we go. So now it takes up a little bit less space. And I could easily say, like, what, any of these we'd want to get rid of, like objectives, bosses. I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. We got something good going here. Let's finish this. I'm very, very happy with where this has gotten today. And then we're gonna load up a hard tricky next just to make sure, you know, quick sanity test. Ooh, you know what this is. You know what time it is here, right? What are you staring at, Crab? You think it's funny that I can't gate glitch? Are you guys laughing at me? You laughing at me? You won't be laughing anymore. All right, let's see. I wonder if this is easier to do with gravity suit off. Hello。我在直播。
你没吃啊？那个三明治？
哦，还没吃。Hello，妈妈，你好。 我在直播，跟人家说 hello 吗？Hello。
我不小心，你知道我不小心。
哦，你不知道吗？哦，对对啊。
太傻了，我吓死人了。你这早点跟我说，一点三。
我不是说过吗？没事没事，只有500个人。看我说只有500个人，没有5个人。All right, let's go down. 哦，我说了，你没听，你是没听到。
看到一个小松鼠在吃苹果，在树上。
你拍了照片吗？Oh yeah, I was gonna do Crade. This could be a little rough though. We don't have charge beam.
你看，
哇，这么胖。
松子吃了没饱，一般的松鼠这么胖。哎，那个车们就会。
Oh, this is not going good. We're wasting way too many missiles. Oh, not this sound. Not this sound. Some of these sounds I make are just terrifying. Oh. That's pretty sloppy, but we survived. I actually don't fight that many crocomires these days, so sorry Croc, I didn't want to do that. So much for getting that map station. Woo! Oh, nope, that's just going to connect over. Oh, that could have saved. So basically, we can do the gate glitch to get past Crocky. The innocent volcanic herbivore that Samus just brutally invaded its home and killed. And I don't think I can forgive Samus for killing Crocomire. I like Crocomire. Down, down, down. Whoa. I was trying to short charge through them, but never mind. Isairu. I think we want screw attack off here. Now, if anybody knows this, I have a question. Why people hit the spike on the left and then go down this platform? Normally I come in here like this and I do a morph ball like that. I don't really do that. I'm curious why people don't do that more often. Is it like faster to hit the spike? Ooh, nice. See people like wall jump off that. Oh, like that. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah. wait, I have screw attack. What am I doing? Oh, I turned it off. Good job. Good job, Samus. Oh, that's something I could add to my tracker. Not only if you have something, I could add like a small little optional icon to indicate you have it equipped as well.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh, hold it. Oh. See if I can get a speed ball here. You know what? I'm not going to be able to. I've seen people do that. I don't know how the hell they do that. I mean, I know how, but I can't get the timing. It's like the short mock ball, the low mock ball, the Drewski mock ball. Hey, that was useful, I guess. Oh. Which way do we want to go? Oh, we're way over here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I guess we keep going up. Save. Not really much of a point in getting... Ooh, actually, let's see what's over here. I do not like this room normally. There's also one with water in it. This one's not as bad. This is it. I'm glad we did it. We definitely want charge beam. Dude, I love streaming in the daytime. I usually stream at night and I'm like super exhausted because, you know, it's night. Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day yourself. Hope to see you around. And, you know, good luck on your Metroid adventures, too. I hope you enjoy them. Down, down. You know, I kind of like want to go blind Ridley. Or not blind, fight Ridley now. Oh, no, did we go the right way? Oh, we did. Okay, cool. Thank God. So make sure there's not any other bosses or anything we missed here. Nada. Nani mo nai. Ja, criteria ni iko. Let's go to criteria. Bum 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 bum. Let's try a continuous wall jump. So we're gonna have to disable some stuff first. Like, I'm just gonna get rid of these because I don't know if I need them. Get rid of all. Even high jump, right? Oh, we don't even have high jump. Okay, excellent. Just like that. That's exactly how you do it. Just like that. Oh. I want to blame the fact that I made my emulator screen smaller. Oh. I finally got the horizontal... Wait, how did I do that? How did I do that jump? If somebody's watching this knows how I did that jump, let me know. I've never made that jump without doing a continuous wall jump before. That was crazy. Yeah, I'm going to do that too. I want to ask some professional advice. Thank you, Aquazilla. All right, I think we got it. Let me pause my audio on my end here. We'll turn the game audio back up. How did I do that? The horizontal. All right, I'm clipping it now. The horizontal. Wait, how did I do that? How did I do that jump? Dude, the clip editor sucks, man. Like when you change the end and beginning, why the hell does it move the cursor there? Like, come on, no, I'm moving the end cursor, the end, so that I can keep playing until the end. Like, it's terrible. Somebody's watching this knows how I did that jump. Let me know. I got the horizontal. No, let's see. How did I do that? Moat crossing without CWJ. If somebody's watching this knows how I did that jump, let me know. I finally got the horizontal. How did I do that? Down. How did I do that jump? All right, let me edit it real quick. If somebody's watching this knows how I did that jump. Creator dashboards. Sorry, I am not a clip pro. I usually avoid it because I have such a hard time with the clips. Okay, it showed up. Down. Oh, hello. Bye-bye. Talking to my wife. Okay. I have to edit one option real quick. Edit. There we go. Full view. Now we can save it. And let me get a link for this. All right, we're gonna get the opinion and input from some seasoned Metroiders later. Although Aquazilla, you're seasoned as well. Here we go. Yeah, like what? I don't know how I did that. And I didn't have high jump or anything on. No speed boosters. The only thing I can think is the only thing I can think of is that I had charge or dash held down, and somehow resetting the game state basically it breaks some of the logic for input detection and the state of Samus, and so that when you reload the save state, I might have it disabled, but it like actually might be enabled. I don't know. It's pretty weird. But that's officially though, that's new tech, and Invo and Grape can just keep up, man. They're gonna have to just keep up with this tech, you know what I'm saying? So, we'll have to show them and let them know the new generation of tech that's coming to Super Metroid, in case they're not ready for it. All right, let's go back to shared on SM community. Yeah, I want to roll out though. I'm not sure. I'm not sure though if it was related to save states or what, Because, you know, you have to imagine if that was possible normally, somebody like Zinni or Drewski or Eddie or Oates or really anybody who's been doing this for a long time, I feel like they would have figured that out, right? I mean, I want to believe that. Well, I want to believe that it was new. That'd be really cool. But my detector tells me that it's probably... Oh no, oh no. Oh no. I was trying to freeze it. Alright, I want to try this trick where you get lined right below it. Oh, it worked. Okay, I want that platform to come back again. Alright. I'm trying to shoot through the platform and then go through it at the same time. I don't have high jump. I don't know if that changes anything. Maybe it does. We'll continue on. Some things are found by... Yeah, that was crazy. I've done that a lot. Oh, yeah, there was... You know what? We'll know. Let me look at the clip, and if we're holding the dash button, we're going to know because it'll show up in my input tracker. Hold on. No, I wasn't holding any buttons down. Oh my god. I can't wait to show this to Invo and Grape and stuff tonight. Can use down grab to help. Yeah, it's out of my pay grade to determine what just happened. Ooh, we're gonna follow. I want to follow our friends. We never follow. Nah, you guys are too slow. Sorry. What's that sound? Oh, it's the Edecuns. Down grab with red tower. Oh, that's a good idea. I didn't even think about that. You know what? Do I want this energy tank? Pfft, no, I don't. Who needs a freaking energy tank? Let's go fight Ridley. So Meridia. We got Meridia and Brinstar. Let's check out our Brinstar map. So we haven't really explored a lot of Brinstar yet, so we'll do that potentially next. But let's check out. Norfair is good. That's where the ship is. Meridia is where Mother Brain is, and Ridley. So we're gonna go to Mother Brain just to see if we can do it. I just want to see if we can beat Ridley in this state because it sounds like a fun thing to do. Oh crap. All right. Oh, I'd love to get high jump so badly right now. Gameaholic, hey, what's up, Gameaholic? How you doing? I'm working on my tracker, so that top left tracker. This is my new view for the Metroid Map Rando tracker. All right, we're gonna do it. Is there a save point? You saw your remote clip? Oh man, I'm glad you took a look at that. I was wanting to have somebody look at that because that was bizarre. Quality of life is set to max, which alters your physics. Oh, that sucks. If I did it because it's easy mode. Samus, oh god. I was about to tell you, I hope you enjoy the lava, but I didn't really mean it. Horizontal momentum is conserved when landing from a spin jump while holding run and forward. Okay, thanks for explaining that. I'm still gonna go show it to Grape and Invo though and be like, hey guys, let me know when you can do this. I'm not going to tell them what happened, but they probably know all that. I'm just going to try though and pretend. Maybe if I can fake it, they'll believe it for at least 5 seconds. It'd be worth it. It'd be worth it just to cause that sort of like doubt. Like, wait, what? But I'm sure they're gonna be like me though, and it's like, if it could have been done, why hasn't it been done yet, right? You know what? Actually, hold on. Let me go refill my life a little bit. May as well start this on a full stomach. Oh wait, why? I have a screw attack. Why am I not just using that? Excuse me. All right, here we go. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. I'm gonna keep, I got a lot of updates to make to it. Oh, we don't have plasma beam, guys. This is gonna be hard. This might be pushing my limits. Not having high jump for the win. Oh, 你还没走吗？哦。Come here, Ridley. Oh, you're not. I thought he was dead. Oh man, that was dumb. I was celebrating too early. I don't know why I rolled there. Man, I lost a lot of life just now because I actually thought I thought he was dead. I mistook a swooping motion. Oh, uh-oh. Oh shit. Man. This sucks. Ruined a good run because I misread it. Be lurk on here. Wish you a lot of fun. Thank you. Thanks for joining. And enjoy lurking and enjoying the rest of your weekend. We're just gonna do this until he turns pink, and then we're gonna use his supers. Oh. God. Oh. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, 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 not looking good. Oh no. Oh, fuck. Oh, this shouldn't be that hard. It's a lot harder without plasma, though. With plasma, it only takes 20 shots. But I don't want to wait for plasma. I want to get better at Ridley. Oh my god. That was terrible. Oh man, I wasn't over far enough. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh man, my heart is like, I wish I had a heart monitor on. Oh, not twice in a row. Oh no, I'm almost dead. And here we go. And we're dead. And he's dead. Oh yeah. Oh no, no, no. Oh my god. Oh, I shouldn't have said he's dead. That was just dumb. Oh. He's dead. Jump right in the lava. Good job, good job. Do I want to do that again? Yes, of course I do. So we're not going to do the charge with the spazer though. I feel like I can probably do more damage with this. Oh my god, not at this rate. You know what? Let's go back to that last save point. We know when we're beat. Okay, let's go to Brinstar, collect more items. That's pretty sad. Really, really sad. And I counted my reload. Great. Went from 8 to 9. I think actually, I feel like there can be less space. I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Ooh, 350. I'll probably be getting off here, and I want to focus on trying to get this run finished quickly now, because I'm going to go take the kids swimming. Soon, we're going to go swimming. Whoops. Oh. Accidental missiles, but ended up being a missile door. Man, I still can't believe that Ridley fight. Oh. One, only to fall into lava. God, that sucks so bad. It's so funny though. Of all the ways to die. Down, down. Yeah, I'll explore these rooms. Where was that map again? I wasn't watching. Way over there. Okay. So, knowing that things continually expand really far to the left, I'm going to explore to the right just to see, because I assume it has to end soon. Actually, wasn't actually sure if I could make that before the crab came out. Cool. All right, we'll go up. Take these right paths as well. While this is doing that, I'm gonna stretch. Swap out my seats too. I have this like a plain old chair, but I also have this like stand stool. It's you can like lean into it, and has like a heavy bottom. It's kind of cool because you can raise and lower its height, but you can kind of lean into it from any angle. You can spin around. So if you like that kind of thing, kind of gotten it as an alternative to sitting in my chair all the time. There we go. Okay. G4 statue, okay. We were there earlier. That was a waste. Actually, you want to go up a little bit first. Huh? What? Just a dead end? Huh. Cool. Yeah, and I should be back on tonight. I'm gonna try to finish Super Metroid Lost World, or at least make some substantial practice in it. Oh, this will be fun. We're gonna do a bot wound fight from the right side. Whoops. So if you stand right here, you can diagonally shoot through the wall. And if you time it right, you can stand and you can dodge the things that bot wound shoots at you, the projectiles. Oh. Bro, quit zigzagging. It's not bot wound, it's a zigzag worm. Wiggly worm. The wiggly worm. There we go. Yay! Gravity suit. Or sorry, grappling beam. Gauntlet up ahead. Let's do it. Let that block reform. And now we'll do it. Whoops. What is that room? Oh, that's the attic room. Kind of curious what's down the attic. Let's go check it out for fun. Yes, we could go get the map, but... Oops. Alright, I'm taking revenge on all of you guys in a second. Boom, 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 boom. Ow. Oh, nope, not going that way. Oh, missed everything. Oh my god, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna pretend that didn't happen. I had to go low though since the atomics went low. I know I need to jump Shine Spark from higher, but I've just been wanting to practice that. Now that I know how to do Short Charge more consistently, I'm feeling a little safer. Some of these strats I couldn't do just due to how hard Short Charge was for me. Nope. Mock Ball. Alright, we'll do it. If I was racing, I would not be blinding like this, by the way. Ooh. Bet we can make that work. Gotta just find a spot to get a Shine Spark. Jackpot. That Ridley fight is looking a little bit easier. I'm still ashamed. I'm so ashamed I didn't beat that Ridley. I'm never gonna live that down. Oh. Oh, this room gives me PTSD from yesterday. Trying to do that, basically the RBO run there. Alright, how... Down is not, like, it is definitively not the direction I want to go. So much for going to the map. Jesus Christ. Well, we're already here. May as well see where it goes. Nice. Not nice. Wave beam. Oh, that was very nice. All right, Ridley's ours. Ridley's gonna wish he never messed with us. This really like shows me how hard what Eddie does when he does the low ice. It's like a 14% run, and he's like has to be shooting Ridley like 50 times or something like that. I don't know. It's a lot. Oh, another elevator. We're going further down into the depth of hell. I just noticed the emoji you used, Aquazilla. Nice. You know what? Can't possibly go any further left, right? Fucking kidding me. Well, there is an item in here. Let's check it out. Oh, no, not here. Nope, we're doing it. Again, we're not trying to do this fast per se. Keep forgetting we don't have high jump. Can I do a mock ball with that low of Yeah, you can. Nice. Whoa. What is up, Palo? Yeah, I just had like a couple free hours before we go swimming. We're going swimming at like 4:30 or so. And I was actually programming on my tracker, so you can see the tracker here, that Super Metroid Tracker. That is new. So I've been building a Map Rando specific view, and then I wanted to test it playing an actual Map Rando, so I was like, I'll just build it live. And I'm done building on it for now because I'm happy with the current progress we made today. And then also it's kind of a long weekend for me. It's Veterans Day, Veterans Day Tuesday, and then Monday is the Marine Corps birthday. So I'm taking a 4-day weekend, which is nice. I haven't taken like a vacation in a while, so I'm looking forward to that. And I told my wife too, I was like, this vacation, these are like my days off. I want some time where I can just kind of do what I want for a bit. Obviously, like, still hang out with kids and family and stuff, but just wanted to, no plans. I wanted to staycation with no plans, where I can just chillax, catch up on sleep, play some video games, good life. You know what, let's go right. Sitting at the office at work, waiting to clock in. Well, I hope you have a good day at work, and I hope it's not too tiring. I definitely know that feel. This last week for me was pretty crazy. Oh, Kraid. Oh, hell yeah, we blinded Kraid. Yeah, my work life has been pretty busy lately. Well, just in general. Yeah, Phil got the deaths, reloads. There's also restarts too. Oh, now we're redoing this. We're getting quick kill. But yeah, it's coming along, man. I love this little app. I've been having so much fun working on it. Oh, I see. My bad, I'm dense. a bit slow at times. Yes. First try. Nothing. Oh, whoops. Actually, we do need to be careful in here just in case I get stuck. I think we have enough weapons to take them out, but... Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Huh. Oh, I got an idea. Have screw attack. But my actual idea, one time I killed them with shine sparks. I did. We're gonna do a shine spark again. Let's try it. No shine spark for you. Oh my god. Try that again. See if you can do that again. I really want high jump. I'm starting to really appreciate high jump. No more death, no more reloads for the rest of the game. We gotta keep it at our lucky number. So we still have Dragon and Ridley. We know where Ridley is, no idea where Dragon is. Maybe, just maybe, when we get this map data access up here, we'll find him. Oh, I need to practice that room if I want to finish this next segment of Super Metroid Impossible. I just might not be able to finish it right now, and I'll have to come back to it later, and I'm cool with that. It's those 3 heat rooms before Bubble Mountain. I have to do 3 energy tanks, no Varia suit, and yeah, that's it. Nothing. Okay. We're gonna get that. We're gonna get that shine spark somehow. I'm gonna get it from above and drop below. That's what I'm gonna do. What's over here again? Nope, definitely not getting a shine spark in this room. Okay, the chance of getting a shine spark and carrying it down have dropped considerably. They are officially 0. This has been a pretty fun seed though, actually. For being a basic normal, like, and it doesn't feel very small. It doesn't feel very, I don't know. It's been harder than I expected, considering I've been doing hard trickies. It feels like maybe not on that level, but pretty close. I guess I haven't had to really do any tech though. It's just been more, you know, maybe some tough spots, but no tech. All right, so we got Kraid. One more power up over there. I guess that's it for us here, huh? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get it just for fun. We're already here. Oh, what was I thinking? Oh, that's another thing, is I'm going to be adding the icons for Metroid rooms 1, 2, and 3. Next up, add icons for the Metroid rooms M1, M2, M3, M4? Is there an M4? Maybe only 3. I don't really know. Check the Super Metroid guide. So I have 2 guides. I had AI process and extract the ROM development guide, which has like everything about Super Metroid, as well as all the JSON files and data related to Map Rando. And so I'm able to just have AI read those and then build us trackers. 4 rooms. Oh, thank you, thank you. One less thing for my AI to confirm. Let's see. One second. I'm gonna go help out my daughters real quick. Oh, that was cute. My kids, it's raining outside, so they thought that we weren't going to go swimming today because it was raining outside. I was like, guys, we're going to an inside swimming pool.
We're driving there or just in our house?
Oh, we're driving there. We're going to swim inside.
I thought,
Just want you to choose, Yvonne.
I thought you said in our house.
No, not in our house. I wish we had a swimming pool in our house. No, I don't, because I'd have to take care of it. I had a fish tank, and that fish tank was like hell, because I'm an idiot, and I got 16 fish at once against everybody's advice, and it was a total nightmare to maintain, and I was the only one who would maintain it. Let's see. And maybe even, let's see. We have a splits file, let's see. Or AI text of the room. Or, okay. We don't have sprites yet, so just show an empty icon sprite for now. I'll add the sprites to our icons sprite sheet later. Actually, yeah, I'll go do that later. We have a boss sprites image. Let me see if that has the Metroid sprite on it. If it does, I can just use that. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm basically giving AI the next set of commands to do. Oh, it's because I have an enemy sprite. Oh, I do have an enemy sprite with the Metroid. No, I don't want to use that. Okay, AI's doing its thing. Back to Rando. I remember the first time I had to clear that room without screw attack and really no power-ups, and it was just not fun. It's very hard. That's a lot of fish. Down. Alright, actually. So we're gonna snag that item over there. And to do that, we're gonna take the more... Actually, yeah, we're gonna take the fun route. We're gonna snag that last major item. Oh, shoot. lucky little spin there to avoid getting grabbed by the, what, yammer? What are those called? The money in the house. High jump boots. Hey, we've been wanting those. Too bad they're utterly useless now. I think we're going to go over to the left and back up and to the right. To the left. Move back to the right. Oh, I love respin. Oh, John Tendo with the raid. Hey, welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome to the stream. I'll give a shout out to John. Hope your stream was going well. What were you streaming? Playing Counter-Strike. Oh, nice. I haven't streamed any FPS, but I do play Call of Duty and Battlefield and stuff, and I haven't really played them in like a lot in the recent couple of years, but love some FPS. So I'm working on getting my couch streaming setup finished so that I can, like, you know, stream in comfort from my couch over there and play on the big screen TV with and use like Elgato to record and all that stuff. But I haven't got it set up yet, but once I do, I'll do some of that. I haven't played Counter-Strike though, if you can believe that. I guess that's a lie. I played a little bit, but it's like on my friend's computer. Oh, shoot. We're on our way back to Ridley right now, or Dragon if we can find Dragon. And the point of today's stream was, you see that top left tracker with the images and information about the Map Rando? That's a tracker I'm building for Super Metroid that works on like Mac, Linux, and Windows. It started off just kind of playing around for fun, and I don't know, I just kind of kept building it. You know how it goes. I was playing Street Fighter 6 with the current event Ghosts and Goblins. Played some Ghosts and Goblins there too, and then some Dead by Daylight and some Counter-Strike 2. Nice, man. That sounds like a healthy dosage of gaming for the day. Good job. I also bought Street Fighter 6. I'm assuming it's the same one that is on Nintendo Switch 2. I bought that. I played it for like 15 minutes to try it out, and I was having fun, but I want to go play it some more. Is it, you feel like it's worth playing through? Oops, wrong way. Wait, why did I come in through here again? We want to go up. Up, left, and then down. Yeah, and those joining, nice to meet you. My name is Ken Troyd, or Ken, or Kenny, whatever you want to call me. Don't care. I've been playing Super Metroid most of my life, but, you know, didn't really start trying to speed run it or even know about all these ROM hacks that exist until June this year, actually. And it blew my mind how big the community is, and I was just like thinking of the literal thousands of hours I spend in my basement playing video games sometimes, and then I was like, man, it'd be cool if like I could chat and hang out with people while I play video games, because I had some friends living with me for a few years, and that's what we did, and it was so much fun. And so yeah, I joined Twitch. Also, I was just trying to like not doom scroll Reddit 24/7. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. And just needed something a little more healthy, and so here I am, been doing this and having a blast. So thank y'all for making the place fun. Let's see, wait, do we want to go? Yeah, let's check out Meridia real quick. I guess we can do this. Yeah, there's a lot of areas here. This is the only area we really haven't checked out. We got Ridley there. Like, we've already obtained the map here, and we don't see Dragon. No Dragon here. Yeah, no access to other areas. There's criteria. Again, Brinstar. Yeah, I think the game will be to, we're gonna explore this area a little bit more and go knock out Ridley while we're at it. SF6 is basically Street Fighter 4, but with some Capcom versus SNK. What's SNK? Sorry, my brain's not. SNK. Shinobi. And Ghosts and Goblins. Oh, I haven't played Ghosts and Goblins since like the SNES version, Super Ghosts and Goblins, which was like really hard. I never beat it, but I remember being really hard. Now, where do we want to go? Some other brains up there. We're not doing that. Let's go hit that save point. Nice. Yeah, I'll check out SF6 again some more. I was having fun when I was playing it. I'm a big Street Fighter a big Street Fighter fan, mostly because my name is Ken, and there happens to be somebody in there named Ken, and you know, I think the Shoryuken, Hadouken, and all that stuff are pretty cool. So enough that I put them in like one of the video games I made. A slight different version. All right, let's see if we can do this. We should be able to. Can't remember the exact angle for this. Okay. Some angle. Usually one of these plants goes a little higher and I use it for reference. There we go. You know, I don't know why I did that. As fun as that was, I'm actually trying to get to Ridley, so you know what, we'll meet him from the other direction. SNK is also a company, and the funny part is the guy who invented the very first Street Fighter left Capcom and joined SNK to create games like Fatal Fury, okay, I played Fatal Fury, and Terry Bogard, or King of Fighters, with Kyo Kusanagi, main protagonist of the games. Nice, dude, I'll add it to my list to check out. So you do a lot of fighting games? I used to do like Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3, and then seemingly like not as many people played this one, but Mortal Kombat Trilogy on the N64 I was a big fan of. Put a lot of hours into that. That was actually probably Mortal Kombat Trilogy was the one I put most of my hours in, even more than Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. And of course Smash Brothers, which is super fun. And in 2020, I mentioned I was living with my wait, what am I doing? I mentioned I was living with a couple friends during COVID. While my wife and family were in China for that year, and we played a lot of Smash Brothers. And I'd always played Smash Brothers, you know, with items and stuff. But 什么？
我说很快去。
好好，几点
4:45了。
4:45，好，那我快点结束。
那已经10:30了。
好，那我结束吧。
啊，我给你买了个。
哦，好。
啊，我去游泳去了。
那我快结束。Oh, whoa, hello, Chloe. You wanna watch a Ridley fight? You know what? Actually, I want to get out of here and drop a save.
How does it change your Metroid color?
So in Metroid Map Rando, you get to pick who you play with. Hello everyone, this is my daughter Chloe. She's also really good at video games, and she beat Super Mario 3D World just as she was turning 4, and she beat Bowser's Fury when she was 3. Dimani说 hello. Say hello.
Hello.
我待会儿跟你说谢谢，你认识他？
我真的认识他。
啊。待会儿说，不能，现在不能说。Oh no! Oh. All right, into the tail. Oh, too early. Oh no. Yeah, there you go. That's where I wanted you to be. He's swooping right now, but I'm gonna make him explode. He gave me a hard time earlier. Doom doom, bye bye Ridley, bye bye Ridley. All right, with that, now we're gonna play some Ridley techno. It's called Ridley's Revenge. Made it a few weeks ago. I've been playing it on repeat because I love Lower Norfair music. Dun 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 dun. You can create your own character in Street Fighter 6. Yeah, I created my own character. I thought that was kind of fun too. I've seen some Popeye the Sailor, Sasuke, Naruto, Son Goku, Dark Vader, and many other characters of the Battle Hub. Oh wow, I didn't realize I had that level of customization. They even recreated the T-800 Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator. Oh, that's hilarious. Killer Instinct is your fave? I have it, and I just never put the time into it, but I really want to try Killer Instinct because it looked pretty cool, and the few times I played it, like, it was pretty cool, but, you know, I didn't put in the hours. And Claire Diviner, what is up? How's your weekend going? I'm building this Metroid Map Rando tracker, as you can see. Oh, it goes right to left, not left to right. I could have taken that earlier. I always get those directions inverted for that shortcut. But yeah, I've been making my tracker support Map Rando, and so which was tricky because not all of that data that you're seeing there is available in the actual RAM for the emulator. It's available in the ROM, which is why it's able to show in the credits like the item progression, difficulty, and some of these things, but they're not stored in RAM. So I was struggling with how to display them in the tracker, and the turned out I had to like extract the seed ID from RAM, take that, then pass it to the Map Rando website via API, pull back a JSON blob that actually has this information. Like, it was tricky. But I got it working. Got it working. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, shizzle. Want to know my favorite Lower Norfair remix? Yes, dude. If you have any Lower Norfair remixes, you feel free to dump those links here. There's a few good Super Metroid like techno remixes that I like too. What is in this room? Just want to test my knowledge. Nothing. Oh yeah, I see where we're at now. Area tiling had me caught off guard. But there's not enough like Metroid techno, so I'm trying to change that. But I'm not really a good music maker or techno DJ or any of that stuff, so I just kind of make sounds and play around with FL Studio. Like most things I do, it's a quantity over quality, for better or worse. Yeah, absolutely, post away. And if you have any trouble posting it, oh no. Yeah. If you have any trouble posting it, let me know, and you can whisper me and I'll post it, but... Oh. Wing? All right, we are now hunting down. We were hunting down Dragon. Here we go. We're gonna have some fun with this one because I want to try some stuff right after I open up this YouTube link. All right, let me All right, let me open up Wave Link. Down, 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 down. Oh, shoot. My wife's telling me that we gotta go swimming pretty soon, so let me do that quickly. Can you hear it? Are you able to hear it, John? John Tendo? Oh, I just got that, like Nintendo. Have a good swim. Excellent Sunday stream. Thank you, D-Money. I always love when you join. Look forward to hanging out soon, and thanks for confirming. I can't even hear the music, which is fun because this is like, I use the music as a indicator when Dragon's coming, so I have no idea. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Dragon. Nope. So I'm going to be trying some short charges on Dragon. Now that I have my short charges down, I haven't got to fight Dragon since I figured out short charges. Whoops. Oh, fail. Yeah. And we got the blue suit. Oh, and we got the blue suit. I'm so glad you guys got to see that. This is my first time doing this live on a stream in a real fight with Dragon and getting the blue suit. Dude, let's see if we can take the blue suit all the way to Mother Brain. We're gonna F up Mother Brain with a blue suit. Why? Because I've never done that. Uh-oh, this is like not exactly my favorite room to carry a blue suit through. Actually, it's not too bad. Let's take our time. We're in no hurry. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do my gate glitch. Also, we have like no super missiles. Down, 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 down. I like this remix. No supers, huh? Anybody? Supers? Anybody selling super missiles? Oh, that was close. Gotta be careful not to push it down. Wait, where am I going? You know what? We're gonna just try it without enough super missiles. What's the worst that can happen? We get 57 missiles. First things first, turn off screw attack. Oh, I lost my blue suit. Bummer, lost our blue suit. I think. Yeah. Oh well. Not like we're really gonna be able to do anything with it. Down, down, down. Oh, totally. The grapple beam's like, that's like the classic way to beat Dragon for sure. The problem is that when you're speedrunning, you don't have grapple beam a lot of times. So you actually can't use that method. And furthermore, you need what do you call it? Oh shoot, can't remember what I was gonna say. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna drop some safe states just because I'm getting pinged to go swimming, and everybody's oh straight exit. Okay. Gotta find out which room had the map, or sorry, which map had the spaceship. Norfair. So we go to criteria, so we're just gonna go straight across. Oh no, we're gonna go up a little bit. Down, left, up, down, left. I'm gonna let my wife know that I need 5 minutes. Oh, I should have looked at the map more. Oh well, too bad, too late. We're blinding it. We're like half blinding it because, well, I saw a little bit. Down, 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 down. Down, down, down. Oh, all our momentum. My momentum. Oh. At least there's no enemies in here. Oh my god, I almost let go and landed in the quicksand. Alright, we are here. And now... Wait, we need to go to Norfair, is it? Oh, good lord. So that top criteria. It's a little tighter than I expected. Wait. Yeah, Norfair. Just go down as fast as we can. Down, 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 down. Like, this would be a good time to be doing some down moonfalls. That would have been a... Oh, wrong. Wait a minute. Can you even... I think that's a one... Oh my god, okay. The bad news is I think that's a one-way. So we're gonna redo this, unfortunately, because I need to come in from a different door. Oh, shoot. Oh, should have went left a little sooner. Oh, nice, dude. D&D style fusion board game. Oh man, I want to read that in more detail right after this escape. I love D&D. I'm stuck on 3.5 though. I've never evolved. Me and my whole crew were like, we can just adapt 3.5 to do whatever we need it to do. So we never evolved. We never evolved past that. Oh, why am I not moonfalling in these really nice moonfall places? Boom, 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 boom. Wow, wow, wow. Another moonfall place. Oh my god. One more down. And I think we should go straight across. We'll take the top exit. No, we're gonna take the bottom exit. Uh-oh, not the bottom exit, not the literal bottom exit. The middle exit. Oh. Good thing this isn't a hard tricky, like, we would have been toast by now.
Why do you feel that there's a retard in this? Why do I feel like there's an instrument that's good part in this?
We're gonna get the short charge here, just 1, 2, 3.
Why do I feel like the music guitar
So,
sound?
it's good they did. This is somebody else made this music, and it's on YouTube, and I'm playing it. Oh yeah. Dun 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 dun. Dude, sweet track, man. That was pretty awesome. And one final little micro test here. After this is over, I'm going to load a hard tricky. I just want to make sure my tracker updates and displays the appropriate information. Other room is still live in player characters, but I am too lazy to continue it. Dude, as somebody who has a million projects and small projects, I can totally relate to that. I thought about combining with some elements from Meta Aquarius Super Metroid X Fusion ROM hack with where multiple SAX appear. Did you play the X Fusion ROM hack, by the way? That was so fun. I fortunately started at like 1.1 and 1.2, and so I missed 1.0, which was apparently really brutal. But I beat 1.1 or 2, I can't recall, maybe 2. But that was a lot of fun. I want to go back and... No, I beat 1.1. I want to go play 1.2 at some point. Lead developer Maddo, Ose, Stage Shot, Amoeba of Doom, Kyle B. Amoeba of Doom is actually in Maddo. I saw them on a stream today. They're still in the stream. We might check them out after this. They're designing, Super Metroid ROM hack, which is really, really cool. So, all right, the final test before we go, I am going to load a hard tricky and just make sure that my tracker updates. This is going to be the final test. And we're going to do it live where everything can break. Because that part makes an API call. Okay, it's not loading. Let me load a save file and see what that... Oh, that's Lost World. Wrong game. Wrong game. I've been playing 20 hours into Lost World. That's not what I was trying to load. It's like muscle memory because I've been playing it so long. Normal. Okay, hard, small. Hard, normal, small. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. I just want to see if it updates live or if I'm going to have to restart the tracker when I swap games out. It looks like it's like still connected to the old game. Okay, I am going to kill the tracker really quick. Kill the tracker really quick, and then we're going to restart the tracker. I don't know if you can hear my kids upstairs, but they're very excited to go swimming. And bummer. Yeah, the tracker seems like it didn't update the way I expected, but no worries. Right, let me show it real quick. OBS has some really janky components to it. Okay, so it got all of this stuff right, but it got the difficulty wrong. The difficulty is hard, and I'm seeing it pull the right information from the API, so it just cached the wrong value. Anyways, with that note, let me pull up a raid real quick, and actually SM Charles is playing. Oh, he's playing some he's playing a ROM hack. Let's go. Later, Phil. Yeah, let's see what Charles is doing. He's playing Metroid ROM hack, it looks like. So, all right, everyone, take care. Have a good day. I may or may not be back on later tonight to play some Lost World. I might also just retire to my couch and play some Donkey Kong. So who knows? Yeah, and John, thank you for joining and raiding today, and your friends too. Nice to meet you guys. Hope to see you all around more, and appreciate the raid and getting a hang. Yeah, D-Money, Phil, Gameaholic, Aquazilla, Paolo, everyone who's joined today, and lurkers as well. Just, yeah, thanks a lot. Have a nice day. And I kicked off the raid. It should start in a few segundos. I'll wait till all that is done before I end the stream. And then I'm going to go get some nice exercise and swimming with the family. And all right. Peace, everyone. Take care.